In this specific video, we'll be talking about how to build leads with Lead Creator AI. There's quite a bit of extensive training that's connected to the Lead Creator platform. Up here where it says training, if you go ahead and click on the training, it will take you to an area where there's a series of training tutorials that are conducted by Philip Barrowman. How to create a lead or how to create leads in Lead Creator would be best learned or acquired by going through this training module, where he actually gives case studies as to how he lost 26,395 leads off of his channel, where it's possible to have a YouTube channel to drive traffic to your lead magnet. If you get the Lead Creator AI tool, you will be having access to this. Go ahead and click the link below to get more information.